Hello dear learners, welcome back to my channel English Made Easy. I hope you are learning from my earlier videos and you are using my 3 mantras. What are they? Listen, pause, repeat. Keep it simple and practice, practice, practice. So I'm back here to help you practice some more. Today's topic is breaking the ice. What does that mean? Does it mean taking a block of ice and breaking it? Of course not. It means approaching someone you do not know to start a conversation. We are in many situations in which we do not know anyone. Can you think of some examples? Shall we begin? Come on, you think and I'll tell you slowly. You could have joined a new school. You could have entered a new college. You could have started a new assignment somewhere. You could have joined a new job. You could have moved to a new neighborhood, into a new apartment. You could have joined work, maybe at a hospital, at the airport, maybe at a store. There can be so many situations in which you keep meeting new people. You could be at a party. It could be a formal party or an informal party in which you don't know anyone besides the host. It could be a birthday party too. It could be the college freshers party. So there are many situations. So you have to understand that breaking the ice will help you make more friends, make new friends. So shall we start? How do we do this? When you are in a setup in which you don't know people, you will have to take the initiative. I know it will make you a bit nervous and uncomfortable because you don't know how the other person will respond to you. But believe me, just like you, many other people there will also be uncomfortable and feeling awkward and alone. So they will actually be happy if you go and try talking to them. How do you start to talk? That is important. If you meet a person, just go up and say hello. Give them your name. That is definitely necessary. And depending on where you are, you can tell the other person one or two things about yourself. If you've joined a college, what will you say? You can tell the person what you're going to study in the college, or what you've done, which school you're from, where you belong to, or where you're living currently. There are so many things you can talk about. If it's an office workshop, or you've gone for a convention, or a larger meeting, then you can just introduce yourself and tell them why you're there. So these are things you can start with. Now, if there's a group of people who's talking and you want to join that group, how do you do that? Here you change slightly. Just go to the group and tell them, "Hi, I'm Jyotsna. Do you mind if I join you?" Or you can tell them that you do not know anyone else. So if they do not mind, you'd like to join their conversation. And mostly people will not say, "No, we are not interested." No, people will be willing to have you join their conversation. Now here, you do not have to introduce yourself. Just giving your name is enough because there's already a conversation going on. So breaking that conversation is not nice. So just give your name and listen. Listen to the other person. One person, two person, three people, whatever. So just listen to the other people talking and speak when your turn comes. If you're listening, then you'll know what is being talked about. You can give your input in that conversation, or if someone asks you what you do, then you can tell them about yourself, what you do, where you belong to, or where you've come from, how many days you're there, why are you attending this particular meeting or workshop. Then you can tell them, but not more than 2 or 3 sentences. Remember, everyone likes a good listener. So you can give a small input. Like this, you would have broken into a group of people. That is why it's called breaking the ice. And remember, keep your energy positive. whether you're talking to one person or to a group. If you go there looking or not interested or dull, then nobody wants to talk to you. Remember, you want to talk to people, and you want to talk to people who are talking to you in a pleasant manner. I always say give out positive vibes. What does that mean? Keep your behavior positive and believe in yourself so that you have the confidence to go and talk to other people. When you meet a single person and you've told that person a little bit about yourself, ask a question. Always ask questions and give the others an opportunity to talk, to speak on whatever they want to, or to reply to your to your questions. And don't hesitate to say sorry if you've made a mistake. There's nothing wrong with pausing. So just think and speak, and you will begin to make new friends in any situation. I hope you enjoyed this video and you will put all that I've said into practice. Otherwise, there's no point in just listening. Remember, practice, practice, and practice. I'll see you soon. Catch you in my next video. Bye-bye.